Utamaster Canopy. The Utamaster Canopy is engineered for those who need maximum practicality without sacrificing looks. Constructed from high-strength aluminum, it's significantly lighter than traditional fiberglass canopies, which means less wear on your suspension and better fuel economy. Its full-width rear door and lift-up side panels give you effortless access to every corner of the tray. What sets it apart is its modular design. You can easily mount roof racks, ladders, shelves, and lighting systems to suit your exact needs. Whether you're hauling tools, camping gear, or both, this canopy turns your ute into a fully functional mobile base. Norbeer. Norbeer's range of canopies is designed with hardcore users in mind. Think tradespeople, overlanders, and anyone who demands versatility and toughness. These aluminum canopies are fully welded for strength and feature dust and water seals to keep your gear protected in extreme environments. One of their biggest draws is the ability to fully customize the internal layout, with options for drawer systems, battery setups, fridge slides, and more. The reinforced roof is also perfect for rooftop tents or solar panels. Norbeer offers a solution that's not just built to last, it's built to evolve with your lifestyle. ARB Slimline 100. The ARB Slimline 100 rooftop tent is a premium-grade solution for explorers who value comfort, speed, and compact design. Its ultra-low-profile form cuts down on drag and noise when you're on the road, yet expands in seconds into a cozy, elevated shelter with a plush foam mattress. Designed with heavy-duty waterproof canvas, a rugged shell, and large ventilated windows, it performs in rain, wind, or heat. The setup includes interior LED lighting and integrated storage pockets, making it a complete camping solution that's ready the moment you pop it open. It's built for those who don't want to waste time setting up camp. Dumper Dog. Dumper Dog is a powerful dump bed insert that brings pro-level functionality to your everyday pickup. With just the push of a button, its hydraulic system lifts the bed and unloads materials like soil, mulch, gravel, or firewood, all without breaking your back. Available in polymer and steel options, it's corrosion-resistant and fits most full-size and some mid-size truck beds. With a load capacity of up to 6,000 pounds, this is a favorite among landscapers, contractors, and serious DIYers who want to work faster and more efficiently. It's the kind of tool that pays for itself after just a few jobs. Tailgate Mirror. TGM 500 is one of those accessories that makes you wonder how you ever lived without it. Specifically designed for pickups and utes with limited rear visibility, this mirror provides an extended and clear rear view when your tailgate is down. Ideal when towing trailers, backing into tight spots, or loading gear. It's easy to install, highly durable, and resistant to weather and off-road conditions. Unlike rear cameras that can get blocked by dirt or equipment, this mirror stays reliable and gives you extra peace of mind on every trip. It's a small upgrade that delivers a big impact on safety. TorqueLift Tailgater. The TorqueLift Tailgater is a multifunctional tailgate accessory that transforms the back of your ute or truck into a workspace on the go. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum, it's both lightweight and incredibly durable. With integrated tie-down points, cup holders, and surface space, it can be used for prepping meals at the campsite, laying out tools on a job site, or even just holding your gear while you take a break. It installs easily without drilling and adds real functionality to your existing tailgate. If you're the type who likes gear that works hard and looks good doing it, this one's for you. Load My Boat Load. My Boat is an automated boat loader that makes solo launches and retrievals a breeze. Designed for utes and pickups, it uses a winch system to pull your boat directly onto a roof-mounted cradle, saving time and back pain. It's perfect for anglers and boating enthusiasts who want to hit the water without needing a second person or a trailer. With marine-grade materials and simple controls, Load My Boat is one of the smartest ways to take your watercraft on the road. Lift and slide cart. The lift and slide cart is a serious back saver for anyone who regularly loads heavy gear into a ute, van, or truck. With its sliding rail and height-adjustable design, it allows you to roll items into your vehicle with minimal effort. Perfect for tradies with toolboxes, movers handling appliances, or campers loading up bulky supplies, it's built with strong industrial materials that can handle real-world abuse. The cart locks in place to prevent shifting during transport and makes unloading just as easy. For solo workers or anyone tired of lifting with brute force, this is the smarter, safer way to load up. DZ Storage Drawer. The DZ storage drawer system is built for serious organization and security in your truck bed. Crafted from high-grade aluminum and finished with a textured black powder coat, it resists the elements while looking sharp. Each drawer glides smoothly on sealed bearings and locks to keep tools, recovery gear, or valuables safe and accessible. With customizable dividers, you can separate items with ease and keep everything in place, even on bumpy trails. It's ideal for both professional and recreational use. Whether you're heading to a job site or a remote camp, this drawer keeps your essentials exactly where you need them. Kia Tasman WKNDR. The Kia Tasman WKNDR is Kia's bold leap into the lifestyle ute market, and it's packed with personality and purpose. Designed for those who blend work with adventure, it features rugged body cladding, off-road enhancements, and modular mounting points for racks, tents, and gear carriers. Inside, it's equally versatile, with a well-thought-out interior that balances comfort and utility. The WKNDR concept is aimed at young explorers, digital nomads, and anyone who wants a vehicle that's as fun as it is functional. Kia is clearly targeting the lifestyle segment with confidence, and this one looks ready to make waves. X1. The X1 is a revolutionary electric all-terrain vehicle designed to blur the line between workhorse and weekend toy. With an ultra-rugged build, powerful torque, and full electric drive, it delivers silent, zero-emissions performance without sacrificing power or durability. Perfect for farm use, remote work, or adventure trails, it includes modular add-ons like dump beds, tool mounts, and even a camper conversion kit. If you're after a futuristic ride that doesn't compromise on function, the X1 is setting a new standard in utility mobility. Diggy Seats. Diggy Seats are all about transforming your interior experience, combining rugged off-road durability with high-end comfort. These aftermarket seat systems are custom-built with premium foam, waterproof fabrics, and tactical storage pockets on the back for maximum utility. Whether you're enduring long off-road trips or just want a more functional daily driver, Diggy Seats keep your ride comfortable, cleanable, and adventure-ready. They're perfect for families, pet owners, or anyone who needs their truck interior to work as hard as the exterior. Collapsible Dog Crate. For pet lovers who travel often, the collapsible dog crate is a must-have. It offers a safe, secure space for your pup while being incredibly easy to set up and store. Built with durable mesh panels, waterproof flooring, and lightweight aluminum framing, this crate folds down flat when not in use, making it ideal for utes and truck beds. It keeps your dog comfortable on the road and ensures your vehicle stays clean and organized. It's practical, portable, and perfect for four-legged adventurers. Ross Monster Baja Series. The Ross Monster Baja Series is a custom-built overland truck designed for serious off-road expeditions with serious luxury. Built on heavy-duty platforms like the Ford F550, it features full living quarters, rooftop solar, off-grid plumbing, and incredible attention to detail. The exterior is just as capable. 40-inch tires, onboard air, and reinforced suspension make it a true go-anywhere rig. Ross Monster blends craftsmanship with rugged performance, offering a mobile base camp that's just as comfortable deep in the wilderness as it is at a campsite. Multi-truck rack. The multi-truck rack is a versatile cargo solution for tradespeople, outdoor gear haulers, and campers alike. It adjusts to fit most truck beds and supports everything from ladders and lumber to kayaks and rooftop tents. Built with powder-coated steel and locking mounts, it's strong enough for heavy loads while still being modular and easy to remove. Whether you're working weekdays or adventuring on weekends, this rack keeps your gear organized, secure, and ready to roll. Jet-powered 2005 Ford F-150 STX. Yes, you heard that right, a jet-powered Ford F-150. This 2005 STX has been modified with a functioning jet engine in the bed, turning heads and blowing minds at every car show. It's not just for show either. This beast fires up with a roar and sends flames out the back like something out of a movie. While it's not exactly street legal or practical, it's an incredible example of engineering creativity, showcasing what happens when custom meets crazy in the best way possible. BTS lighting. BTS lighting brings serious visibility to your vehicle, offering high-performance light bars, underglow kits, and floodlights built for off-road and work use. Engineered with waterproof casings, shock resistance, and plug-and-play wiring, these lights make nighttime trail runs or job sites safer and more efficient. Whether you're installing on a canopy, bumper, or roof rack, BTS gives your ride the illumination and aggressive styling it deserves. Plus, their lighting apps offer custom colors and effects for show-stopping flair. WKSP, short for workshop, is a mobile tool storage solution built for tradies and DIY pros on the move. It's essentially a sliding workshop drawer system that turns your truck bed into an organized toolbox. With compartments for power tools, hardware, and even a built-in vice mount, WKSP helps you stay productive on the job without wasting time digging for gear. It's lockable, weatherproof, and built with rugged aluminum, making it ideal for construction crews or anyone who runs a business out of their ute. Yakima Sky Peak HD. The Yakima Sky Peak HD rooftop tent combines lightweight construction with heavy-duty durability. Designed for quick deployment and maximum comfort, it features a hard-shell design, thick mattress, and insulated panels to keep you cozy in all weather. Integrated LED lighting, storage netting, and a panoramic window setup take your camping experience to the next level. With its aerodynamic shape and tool-free mounting system, this tent is perfect for both weekend getaways and long-haul overland adventures. UteMaster Load Lid. The UteMaster Load Lid is a lockable hard lid that turns your ute tray into a secure, flat-top storage space. Made from aluminum with a high load rating, it's strong enough to carry rooftop tents, bikes, or work equipment. The gas strut-assisted opening makes access smooth and easy, while the integrated track system allows for racks and accessories. It's a sleek solution for those who need both security and surface space, whether you're on the job site or heading off-road.